Welcome to another episode of the Krahenbuhl Trying Snack Crate, but we got Snack Crate Plus today, don't we?
Yep.
What we got?
We got jelly foods. These gummy bears that you see at every shop.
It's a little Candy Club Blush no blush bears. Hope this isn't the soap bears that you're trying to feed me today.
Yeah, I have some of those. We got snack crate
So we got a regular snack crate.
and a Japan snack crate.
We got a Japanese snack pack
This
from
is-
It's Sugar.
It's sugar, not sponsored. This was $50. It comes with a drink, but we got drinks for everything else. We're probably going to do this last. So here we go. First, let's try snack crate.
Our snack
I
crate
wanna
is
say-
from where? Can you say that?
Belgium.
Belgium. You added extra words on there. Belgium, of course, with Snack Crate, you get a little information about Belgium. So it can be a little bit of history. You can learn about that. So what do we have to eat today?
Coke.
You want me to say it? Some type of
I
chip.
don't know if it's a bag or what.
Crocky Dicky. And based on what this looks like, it's like maybe a cheeseburger flavored chip.
We got Lay's. Look, different kind of shaped chips. Let's see what they are.
Lay's Grills. Garut Foom flavor, whatever that is. We don't know if we pronounced that right. And as always, when we're reading these, we may not pronounce them right. Look them up.
We got Haribo's.
Haribo Pasta Fruta.
You know what these look like? Have you guys had lips? In America, you can get them at Dollar General and they're called lips. They look just like them, but different colors. They only come in red and green and regular.
Now this is now with orange flavor, so this is all new flavor in there. What do we got? You hand me off a Cote Dora desserts, as it says, 58. Latte milk, and so it's a candy bar.
I'm super excited to try this one. It looks like waffle with chocolate mixed onto it. Let's eat it.
Well, it's Belgium waffles. This is Susie brand from Lotus. And if you've ever flown most planes, so the Lotus, hand you those Lotus biscuits. So they're pretty good. I like them anyway. This is Susie's Garif de la Fée, or Lucas waffle. I can't say it. Chocolate covered waffle, as you said already. And the Deli Choco bar. Man, there's different ones. Is this not the fourth or fifth Choco bar that we got?
I know.
What do we eat? We always go chips first. So
We do. So I'm going with these.
we're gonna go with Crunky, whatever it is.
Take a
Crocky
snack. They
Dickies.
smell just like barbecue chips, but they look different.
It shows like it's a cheeseburger. Though.
I know.
Try another one. I could eat that. Kind of got a little pickly taste though, because it's got a pickle on the burger.
They taste like ketchup chips, like everything else
Yeah.
that we've tried on Snack Crate.
There's no chips like American chips, are they?
But they are good.
Which, they're cooked in a different country, so they have to follow their guidelines.
I guess we'll try the other chip first. Not one you picked, because I knew you probably picked that one.
Chips out of the way.
They look like skeleton teeth. Or just teeth.
Yeah, or kind of crinkle cut.
They
fine.
smell like dog food.
You have to eat one to get the taste. So they're puffy, like not exactly like the Crunch Cheetos, but they're in between the Crunch Cheetos and the Puff Cheetos, aren't they? As far as texture,
I guess I'll pick.
I could eat it, but
How about you pick? Because I picked the chips first, so you pick a category. 'Cause-
You want to do the waffle?
Yes. I want to do the waffle. Got that up for us. Wait, let me smell it.
Typically we do water with this to cleanse our palate, but I have to.
It smells different.
I already had some Pepsi going here, which is my
Oh, I keep flipping my
spot
hand. I
of
don't know what,
choice.
either to flip it or not. So
All right, I've quartered this up. It is chocolate covered waffle.
it looks like a pretzel.
Chocolate covered waffle. Let's try it out.
Don't forget to take out your trash cans.
That was Alexa. I like this.
It's crunchy.
There's a crunch to it. I don't know why.
I can't eat it because it reminds me of a moon pie.
You don't like moon pies?
They're okay, but
Mm.
not the best.
I like a moon pie. Tried them microwaved. Oh, so different than eating them cold.
Okay,
All right.
I guess I pick this one. Let's see, so we're just gonna buy off. I'm thinking. We're gonna cut one in half. They are tiny. Oh wait, one's block. So
So there's two of these in there. As she said, the tip in is broke off,
now just eat this piece.
and it's a cookie style, looks like to me.
It smells not that bad, but I've smelled all of these, so I don't know.
Just leave that over there. Let's try it. It's salty and savory. It's got a crunch to it, kind of almost like a pretzel crunch, though. You know, not a big pretzel, but you know, your pretzel sticks and stuff. It's kind of got that flavor too because it's chocolate mixed, but it's so it gets your savory, but it's got that.
It's really not that bad.
I like it.
I like this.
All right, we're gonna go with this dude, Dessert 58. Hopefully we don't get taken in by aliens or something. I mean, you know,
Yeah.
Dessert 58. What a name.
Area 50. Wait, one. But it's close to 58. Close.
All righty, let's get it going here.
I think it's
Slow.
like to me, it's like a cotton duck ball. I've never had one, but that's what it is.
I don't know if that's peanut butter in the center or caramel or caramel, depending on
I don't know
how you
the
pronounce
animal.
that.
It's
But
an
it looks like-
elephant. It's an elephant.
Yeah, it's an elephant on each little piece. Let's
Yeah.
go.
No, I want
That
it.
is delicious. Dessert 58 from Belgium is a peanut butter chocolate bar, and we love peanut butter chocolate like Reese's and everything else. That is delicious.
Yes.
All right. Cleanse my palate before we go on to the Haribo.
No.
We know we're probably going to go a little fast on this because we do have so much to do.
Next one, Haribo. I guess I'm gonna get the same flavor as you, and I guess I'm gonna do red. You can do whatever. I'm just gonna try. So different, we can say our own opinion.
I'm
about it.
going for orange because it is the new flavor according to this package.
Let's try.
So I love it. It's just like Rips where you rip them. Those are good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I would not starve in Belgium.
Nope. This is a good box.
Really? Honestly? Except for the chips, the rest of this is a very close
Yes.
race of being top notch. It all depends on what you're needing.
I feel like we need to take it all and rate it. Or we could just rate each box. What do you think?
Well, we always do snack crate.
Let's do snack crate.
If you want a fruity, highly recommend. Who can't go wrong? You can't go wrong with a Haribo.
Also, good road trip
I mean,
snacks.
they just, oh yeah.
This
Gummy
one's
bears
good
are my
one.
favorite.
This one's good. This one probably good. All of these are probably good, but you know, each of us have different taste buds. So who knows? We might like this. You might not like it. We like this. We don't like this. You might like it.
So this is probably my least favorite. And I'll be honest, the flavor isn't bad. It's there's always an odd flavor, it seems like, when we're eating these foreign chips. And it's probably the oil that they're cooked in, and it's just something we're not accustomed to. But outside of that, these are my worst. Would I buy them? Yeah. This is probably my next worst out of what we got in the box. Would I buy them? Yeah. And at this point, I'm going to go back to this being probably my favorite. Tied with this, I have to tie them.
The waffle.
I got a favorite tie today because I love fruity stuff. I also like this.
And apparently this and the waffle is his middle. Okay, so
Yeah.
mine probably, this one's my least favorite. Second one, the waffle, then this one, then this one, then the Haribo's. Actually, I probably have to say this one because you can't get it in the United States.
Well, and we may be able to find the Haribo like Haribo's also. German company, but they are delicious. Don't throw them away too far because we definitely want to get those again.
Okay.
Alrighty, what are we going to do next? Well, let's go with the gummy bears.
Gummy bears. He thinks so. Okay.
Where did they come from? Where'd you
You
buy
can
those?
get them from TJ Maxx, Belk's, J.C. Penney's. You can get them at any of those stores. They have them before you leave. They have a little rack, and I picked the gummies. They have different candies. It's more like candy that doesn't have that lot of calories. These have.
You ready?
I'm gonna take these. He thought they were soap when I got them because I have a thing of gummy bear soap.
So they look like a nice looking bear. They're dull looking, but let's try it. Real sticky.
Mhm.
They're good. They're no Haribo.
Mhm.
So behind that fall on the fruity scale, Haribo's win again.
Yeah, it does come with a good container if you're on a road trip. So, yeah, good road trip snack.
Yep. Maybe a little bit easier to throw it in a cup holder or not. And it's not really got anything sugary on the outside, so it can keep your vehicle cool. All right.
Ooh, these are supposed to be jelly pods. Apparently, we read up on them. We got them. We didn't. We're gonna try one. We have ate them, but we're gonna give the same reaction we did when we first tried them. I'm gonna do the first one I ever tried, which was green.
Everyone I want to get out of here.
Okay.
Because I'm going to try a different flavor. We're
I've
going
had
with
the
red.
I have no scissors or knife, so he's gonna have to cut mine. I'm gonna say the exact same words I said. Or try to, because I had to try. I got them for Christmas.
You ready?
Ugh, they're jelly.
That is exactly what you said. Because we thought they were going to be more like a liquid, like something you could drink.
Like this, basically.
But they're actually kind of a jelly. They're liquidy jelly. They're
Yeah.
not like a full jelly.
See that? Jelly.
I don't know if you can see that or not. They are good though, as far as flavor. But if you have a texture thing, like,
Me
yeah,
and
if you got a Jell-O, if you don't like Jell-O, I would recommend these.
that's probably the best.
Next up,
Japan box.
Japanese snack pack from It's Sugar. This is what she got me for Christmas.
Yep. This is. Yep, I just told you last time. Okay.
We have a ice cream looking thing. Obviously, this is not even a language we can read, so.
We have the thing. If you have been with us on Snack Plate, there was this big cake and it had like lice things. Like, yeah, this is the same blend and everything, and it looks pretty much the same but different.
So that's it. Been listed on the top.
This one, I'm gonna do a review on some of them. This one is like, you know how you get Nutella? It comes with the pretzels and stuff. I laid on the pack. I didn't read it. I saw it.
She didn't read that packet. Then we've got some, looks like a fish, a little brownie stuff looks like it, and I don't know. We have a little round squirrely thing. Looks like based on this it'll be a fist. I hope, because I don't know what else that could be, but it's brown color. We got some Pico Gummy grape flavor. Your favorite flavor. I'm not. She does not like grape.
We got
Unless it's
Poppers
grape.
that you can get in America, but a box, who knows what flavor?
Yeah. Pocky. Share happiness. Okay, we have, I cannot say it's Ramunu chewy candy. Agricticals. There you go. There's the package. You can say it, that's fine. We have something in this little wee package. Again, we do not know the names, obviously. And then we got another little strawberry looking thing. Whoa!
Like that one.
We got a something in blue package. We will just have to get these out. We have a drink. Sparkling sand grape, your favorite flavor. She likes only true real grape juice. The best grape juice I ever had was in Canada. This is Ariel cheddar cheese. Looks like some type of chip thing. And we got caramel corn.
Okay, so we have one more thing, but at the bottom, it says it's sugar. You know you want it.
20 burrito
Keep the
biscuits.
box.
Biscuits. So we'll probably like to cook.
This should be all.
And this is my Christmas gift, so I'm just gonna start. Let's tear into this one first. The burrito biscuit thing. Here, there's you one. It's more like a cracker or something. So they all got little bitty faces on.
Oh, they do?
Yeah.
I can't even find it. Oh, I see mine. It's
Let's try it. Here's a good cracker. Hang on.
not bad. I thought it was.
Kind of buttery flavored. Good.
I'm picking this one because it looks like a tortino, not a tortino. Pizza loaf.
We can get our assistant to go ahead and get us tips for this.
Yeah. Ugh. And handed one. It's fit in a plan, people. Not like it.
These are huge. They are puffy. They've got air pockets, and they're supposed to be cheesy. They kind of look like a bugle shape with the little lines, just like the bugles have here in
They smell
America.
good too. Let's see.
Let's go. So far, we're winning on this Japanese.
No, so good.
That is delicious.
Oh my. Okay.
No, don't eat them all. It's be our supper. We're gonna go with this little goat thing. I'll probably have to cut it up. This has been a good night on this. So this is a little cookie.
So good.
tried that before. We got so much to eat anyway. So this is a cookie-like cake thing.
Yay.
Let's go.
It's not that bad.
It's not that bad, but not as good as those.
Not at all. That's just disappointing compared to the others.
We're gonna go with this thing.
Ooh, it's like an ice cream.
It is a pink ice cream cone look. Cut this.
I really want some carnival ice cream right now. Sounds so good.
You're talking about Carnival cruise ship, right?
Yes. Not the carnival, because now I know what it means. I don't know how you're cutting it. It's like marshmallow inside.
It is.
It is.
I can't get it to cut.
It's like you pull.
There you go. This is gonna make a mess. Probably wouldn't be if you kept it together.
That's good.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely good. Not as good as that, but way better than both of the things we've already had. I'd say that you could probably make this at home. Or you could just buy that.
Yep. Very marshmallowy. We've had these before.
I like the strawberry ones.
These are chocolate stick. I like a pretzel stick. It's good. All right, you pick.
It's like a pretzel stick, so why can I not open nothing today? I just can't.
So it does have a chocolate cup. This chocolate cup is only a portion, and it really only goes down to about right there. So it ain't like it's all the way down the cup.
Like Nutella.
You get your little breadstick.
Oh, super funny. The breadstick's like oil? It has oil on it.
All right, we got our chocolate on mine. You ready? What do you think?
Oh.
It is not that bad.
Oh.
It is not Nutella though.
It tastes like you just ate a clump of soap.
It does not.
Yes, it does.
It does not. It is not that bad. But it's not that great.
Oh, yeah.
Going down on the list already. It's not being the best. And then this little blue bag
Those are my.
is a gray looking
Lump.
lump.
Just eat it with me. Oh, wait, it's sniffing it. Let's
Kind of got a fruity like smell.
like gum. Yeah.
It's real spongy. I don't know what you call that flavor. Now I could eat these.
You
They
can
are,
have those.
well, they are mine, right?
Yes.
I could eat those. Not my pick though.
Tastes like soap. Everything tastes like a soap.
We're getting through these here, girl. Don't want to bore people watching this thing too long.
No, they want to watch the food.
Alrighty. We have now the
Ooh.
Pico Gummy, great flavor, and it's shaped like the little girl's head that's on the package.
It's like a high tea.
Flavor wise, it's just like the high chew. Texture, not hardly.
Yeah, they're good. I can
Yep.
eat. Me sipping nothing. Okay.
All right. Can't open this to read. So we're going for whatever this thing is.
Looks suspicious.
It is.
And if you guys see me not looking at the camera, I'm actually looking at these.
So here's
Those
comes out
look
of
so good.
the package, and it's packaged on the inside too.
It's a hand and a
Star.
star. I take the star. Like little popsicle. Okay.
There's your star.
Okay.
It's got a little
Oh,
hand.
you know the things that people put in window for decoration? It feels like that.
Pull that apart. I don't need the whole hand here. Just need a little bit of it.
Smells like Coca-Cola.
We're gonna try this.
Tastes like Coca-Cola. It tastes just like those gummies from Haribo that are Coca-Cola. You don't like it?
Do I like Coca-Cola?
No,
I'm drinking Pepsi.
I take it. It's good.
She can have that.
It's good. Tastes just like the candy Coca-Cola.
All right, let's go with the fish here.
Oh yeah, and by the way, I did like the grape. But I probably don't like the juice because it's fake grape. It's pop. I don't like pop after juice.
Sparkling sand grape.
I want to look at the fish.
So the fish comes in a nice little brown thing.
It's so cute.
Yep, it's busted. So it's got the chocolatey stuff in the center. It's very flaky. Good.
Always eat the eye full so it doesn't want you to eat its body.
Yeah. So the inside is chocolatey looking, a little puffy. Let's try this.
Oh yeah. Mhm.
Chocolate wafers.
Mhm.
That's exactly what it tastes
Yeah.
like.
Mm.
The little chocolate wafers, a little square, I mean a rectangle. It's got the bunch of little wafers. Tastes just like that.
Okay. Let's try this. Ooh. Oh no. It looks like that thing that we got at Club. What are they called?
Looks like chalk to me.
You know the circle things you get and they have like cream inside? That. Well, it doesn't taste like that. It looks like that.
So it's soft.
Looks like gum.
Just a drill.
Try.
To me, same flavor as that.
Let me know.
I like eating that one.
That was.
It's a little rough.
There's. No.
Okay, I can't hold this package up because it'll fall apart.
I don't like that thing that we tried last time. Even after the video, I brushed my teeth to get it out.
So this is like some type of rice cake.
Oh, I like rice cake.
It's exactly what it is.
That's good.
It's good, still not my favorite.
I like rice cake. Ice cream.
You open that and I'll open this. Then we're about through, don't worry. Ooh,
This is so cute. Oh, do you make it? You make your ice cream.
you
The cups
do,
with the
don't
little spoon, you put water. Wait,
you? Does it have directions?
pictures. And it comes with these little cones.
We do need water.
Water, please.
We have to make something.
This
Now,
is so cute. Look at the little cones.
While we're doing that, we're getting these caramel corn.
Yum.
And that does say that in English, so.
Yum.
So the caramel corn.
Can I not use all of it? I guess we're gonna have to. Try. Oh.
Caramel corn's like a U shape. Here you go.
Yeah, thank you. Mm.
Very sweet.
That tastes like ice cream.
It does. I'm gonna take another one then.
What's it like? Ice cream.
Like when it melts away. It's sweet, but it's it tastes like ice cream. Lord have mercy. I never would have dreamed that.
Okay. Why do? They're peeled. I wonder how. Open. Does it say how much?
No, you just have to pour it in there
Okay.
a little at a time, I guess.
You don't put that much. And you mix. No, it's already 20 like ice cream. That's kind of weird. Okay. This is cold water.
Try this while you're.
And the mix. Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh! 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 It tastes like medicine.
That don't taste like grape. Any grape that I've ever tasted like.
Getting our ice cream made.
Whew.
Looks made to me.
Not recommended for me.
And
Last thing.
I made the ice cream. It has to be filled up and it has to look cute. So cute. Give me a second. It's got to look cute. Okay. And a little. So we have a dog, so he's scratching on the box. It's dripping just like ice cream.
Okay. Let me see.
It was just powder, like, for a second. So
It's just powder and add water. Mix it together. Fill up your cone.
Definitely not a good road trip snack.
Not at all.
Maybe a good party favor. Oh no, I would eat it.
Yeah.
If it was good, okay? Smells so good though. And it's so cute.
There it is.
Like
I
something
got
on
mine.
pictures.
You ready?
Yep.
Whoa.
Oh,
It's not like. It's more cool than it is flavorful. I mean, it's full of flavor, but it ain't the flavor you want.
I'm just gonna try the cone. Let's see.
Cone's fine.
Yeah.
You could have saved it and let your mother try that. But oh well. She probably don't want it anyway. Alright, rating the taste of
Big
Japan.
box. This is big. We got junk everywhere.
We've made a mess. Alright.
Okay. This coming at last. For me, I'm gonna go first. This has to be last.
I agree. Save us some time. I'm just gonna agree if I agree.
Next is this. Next has to be this after we each open get stuff.
Forget
It's
this.
Lily.
Now.
Oh, look at that. That's go there. Probably next. This is hard because everything after this, I kind of. Oh wait, nope. This goes here. Oopsie, doopsie. I already know which one's my favorite. Probably this, then this,
I can see
Then the-
all this.
fish. I'm just gonna tell you so you know.
Get this little, there's that.
This was actually not that bad.
That goes with this.
This, which you know, like you said, was probably here. Then this, because I really like this. If you have like, wait, I forgot that. You see that? You guys see that? You know, this probably goes like
We got these little
here.
hockey sticks.
Talkie sticks go like here, because it ain't something new. Probably this has to go in second place. I know this is third, second, because if you can't eat ice cream on the road, this is so good. But this being my favorite.
So out of the Japanese, this is by far my favorite.
My second favorite.
My second favorite.
My third favorite. That's his third
You're
favorite.
my third favorite.
Our fourth.
And I'll be honest, these are the ones I would buy.
Same. I would buy these. Nothing else. Like, yeah.
I'm not with you on this being the last.
This is yummy. If you want this, you can have that. But that's literally all I would buy.
Yeah, but it's so anyway. I think that's a good rating. Overall, everything I've ate tonight, Haribo's, because we love fruity type candy, me and her do, is probably my number one pick for all of everything we've done on this one. And then my next favorite is this. So thank you again for watching the Krahenbuhl's Try Snack Crate. Plus tonight with the taste of Japan from its sugar and the other items that we had.
Thank you for watching.
Goodbye.
Bye.